Did you know that on average, when searching for workouts, about 45 to 55% of the time, Americans look for ab exercises? But here's the thing, they don't look for exercises to strengthen their core, they look for exercises to get visible abs. But what you don't know is if you strengthen your core, over time, that helps you get visible abs, as well as focusing what you're doing in the kitchen. But today, we're gonna get that first half done for you, 12-minute core workout. Let's get into it. We're gonna start with your simple plank for about 30 seconds, 3 sets. Then you can do kneeling, I'm gonna do full. Let's go. Finish strong, you're almost there. Just a few seconds. Come on, hold it. We're right there. We're right there. 2, 1, time. Deep breaths, don't even think about it. If you're shaking, that's a good thing. It means that core is on fire. Heading right towards that final push. Almost there. 2, 1, nice. Now we're gonna go for alternating crossovers. Basically, we're gonna go flat on the ground, opposite hand, opposite foot. Slow on the way down. Come down, crunch, 1. Stretch, crunch, 2. We're gonna go for 10. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Two. I know it's burning, just 2 more. There you go. Remember that you're a fighter. You got this. Keep on pushing. Almost there. We got one more set. My abs are already on fire. Oh my goodness. It's that final push. It's that final push, baby. Come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna go mountain climbers, but a slower version. I like to stay in a high plank position and get more controlled reps. One where you're really squeezing your core and engaging it through. Where you can go for 3 sets of 12. And you can also this way. And driving it in, and driving it in until you're comfortable with going all the way out. Way to drive it in, way to drive it in. Finish up strong, finish up strong. We start strong to finish strong. Nice. We're right there, we're right there. 2, 1, time. Hell yeah, you're kicking some butt today. Way to go. Come on, we got one more. As you guys get some rest, let me finish the next exercise. Oh. Next one, we're gonna go leg raises. No, don't want your hands here. Hands by the side, please. Push that lower back down. You see how I just stretch out my back? My back was here. You can see some rounding. Now I'm pushing you down, stretching you down. Lifting my shoulders up, tucking my chin in. That's going to keep it down. Hands by our side, legs up. And if you can't do it this way, do it this way. Down and up. But legs up, down, and right back up. And we're gonna go for 3 of 10. Heading right towards that final push. Almost there. 2, 1, nice. Spread your wings and fly, go. I know it's burning. There's 2 more. There you go. 10. Whew. 1 more. Way to go, fam. 12 minutes in the books. You crushed it. Remember, if you enjoy this one, you got a good burn from it. Remember to take it, do it for the next 3 to 4 weeks. Get better with the form, get better with the technique, and really build a routine with it. So therefore, you can create a better, stronger version of yourself. Don't just look to get visible abs, look to build a stronger core. It'll get you those visible abs a lot faster because you'll realize it's a process of doing it, not just doing it. It's gonna help you actually get there. And then you gotta remember nutrition, which is also important. And here's the thing, if you need some help in that department, I got some free guides down below that can help you when it comes to structuring a meal plan, structuring a guide for yourself, so therefore you can put yourself in a better position to be healthier and stronger. That being said, have the best day ever. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. Hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace.